Okay, so the idea behind asking you to draw very lightly and to draw shapes is that all drawings are made up of shapes. Okay, anything quite complicated to draw, you kind of need to simplify it into shapes. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a character. Okay, so first of all, start off by drawing his or her head. Okay, again, you're drawing very lightly, not pressing too hard. Okay, and keep it quite loose. Okay, I'm going to draw some ears now. So again, they're little circles on either side of the face. Okay, I'm going to draw two big eyes, because it's like a cartoon character. Okay, and big nose. Okay, big nose. And like a half moon shape for their mouth. Okay, again, you're just drawing it very lightly. Okay, I might give my character a bushy beard, so I'm going to do lots of scribbles like that. Okay, and I'm going to give him a little body, so I'm going to draw, because I think I might draw a caveman, so I'm going to give him like a kind of dress, because cavemen didn't wear trousers, they just wore dresses. Okay, so the hands just going to be very simple hands, arms, and the hands are going to be just circles initially, like that. So the fingers are going to be little ovals, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and a thumb. And do the same on the other side. And try and make it a mirror image. So 1 finger, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay. So again, this is all very light. Okay. So little legs. Draw 2 ovals like so. And then I'm going to turn those ovals on the side to make them into feet. Okay. All right. So that's my light kind of drawing initially. So once I'm happy with things, I'm going to start making them a bit more definite. Okay, I think I might put a bit of hair on this side here actually. Right. Okay, so let's just make his head a bit more definite. Like so. This is a tuft of hair. These are the ears. Okay, then the outline of the beard. It's going to be like that. Okay, then I think I might just draw the rest of the beard in. No. A bit like Santa Claus. Okay, and then his nose. Like that. And then his mouth, his big smiley mouth, smiley face. And like so. Okay, then his eyes. Like so. Okay, so I'm just going over those lightly drawn in lines that I drew before. Okay, and without the inside of the eyes, they look like number 6s. Noticed? Okay, and these are like kind of pound signs on either side. Okay, so his arms now, you need to make them more into kind of like cylinders. So it's going over the hands now, going over the fingers. That. Oops. Make any mistakes, just remember you can rub them out. Okay, so that's my little caveman with his animal print costume on. These are animal prints. Okay, so any light lines that you have, you can just rub out. Okay, and then that can be coloured in if you want. Okay, so I'm just rubbing out all those light lines that I drew at the start. And they were my guidelines. Okay, it's very important that you understand that sometimes you need to draw in those little guidelines which are much lighter. Okay. So what I'd like you all to do is draw your own little character. Okay, thank you. Bye.